The next we have here, problem number 7. We have the 500 Newton weight is supported by 2 cables, no? 2 cables, no? Amuning F1 takag, F2. Okay? Supported by 2 cables, F1 and F2. Knowing that the resultant of F1 and F2 is a force of magnitude 500 Newton acting in the Y direction. Okay? Are. Purely, no? Purely vertical. Okay? You're asked to solve for F1 and F2, but sigon component ang aton nga gina-solve or gina-pangita. Okay? So, given, aring given, 500 Newton, vertical. Then, you're asked to solve for F1 and F2. Okay? So, now, ta drawing F1. Arasa. F1 is 35 degrees with respect to the horizontal. Sugpon ang F2. Ang F2 naman, 50 degrees with respect to the horizontal. Tapos iulog ta ang aton nga resultant, ara, 500 Newton. Okay? Next, we're going to solve for angle sa sulod sa triangle. This one, no? That is 55 degrees. Yung 55 that is only ang bilo ang aton ning ang aton nga perpendicular nga line, no? Is 90 degrees, diba? So this is 90 minus 35 degrees. That is only 55 degrees, or that is also 55 degrees. Ang ari naman nga side, opposite sang 35, diba? So maning line. So these are opposite angle, opposite, opposite. Okay? So kung 35 ni siya, that is also 35 degrees. Okay? So ang total nila nga duwa, that is 50 plus 35 is 85 degrees. Now sa piyak nga side, no? Again, no? Invoking the theory on the sum of the interior angles of the triangle. Okay? So you have 180 degrees minus 85 minus 55 degrees, so this should be 40 degrees. Ara. So, kompleto na, no? Ang aton nga interior angle sang triangle. Okay? Now, solving for F1 and F2, post na lang katamaan, that is sine law. Diba? So, for okay, kinsaylo ko lang ha. Okay, for F1, we have F1 over sine 40. Ariyo, F1 opposite sine 40 is equal to 500 opposite 85. Okay? Now, cross multiplying and solving for F1, we have 322.62. Now, for F2, F2 opposite angle is 55. Same, 500 opposite is 85. So, F2 over sine 55 equals 500 over sine 85. Cross multiplying, we have F2 is equal to 411.14 Newton. Okay, next. This is similar, no? This is almost similar to the previous problem, problem number 6, no? So again, no? So para sa barge, no? So we have to look for the direction first. So given, no, ang aton din nga distances, this is 3 meters, 1 meters, 2 meters, 3 meters, no? Or slope, no? Slope na siya tawagon, no? Kung y over x. Okay? So we have here 30 kilonewton, ang isa naman is 50 kilonewton. So ang duringon ta ara. Okay? 30 kilonewton, this is theta, ang angle niya. Then isugpon tang isa, ari naman sa piyak. Okay? 50 Newton ang angle niya naman with respect to the arisyo, no? With respect to the horizontal, amo ning aton nga alpha. Ang theta ta naman aring theta. Okay? This one by opposite angle, that is also theta. Okay? Pero kailangan ta solve na ito ng angle. So from the figure actually, no, sa this one, no, ang theta is only tangent theta equals 1 over 3. Okay? Aring theta, opposite, adjacent. No? So, you have 1 over 3. Solving for theta, that is 18.43 degrees. For alpha, no, same. Tangent alpha, opposite, adjacent. So, you have tangent alpha equals 3 over 2. So, alpha is 56.31 degrees. Okay? Now, we'll label this as phi. Okay? So, from the figure, makita nyo na, no? Ang theta is only equal to alpha, no? Arisa ko kung padakuon ko sa, no? Arisa. Okay, amo ni nga to niya, phi, amo ni ang bilog ang alpha, amo ni ang theta. So, makita nyo, no? Ang aton niya phi is only alpha, binantas ang theta. Okay? Sarap. Alpha minus theta, or substitute. 56.31 minus 18.43. So, ang aton niya phi is equal to 37.88 degrees. Okay na? Now, sa ilong sa piyaka slide, arisa, para klaro. So, ang goal na lang imputang ko. No? You're asked to solve for the resultant. Again, masolve na ng resultant using our cosine law. No? Kaya ang given is, or ang aton niya data, no? Nga ara nasa, nga nasolve na is, ang duwa ni ka-given nga component plus ang imong included angle. So, using your cosine law. So, you have r squared is equal to 50 squared plus 30 squared minus 2 times 50 times 30 cosine of the included angle, no? That is cosine 37.88. Okay, now, solving for r using your calculator, that is only 32.14, no? Ang aton nga magnitude. Okay. Now, solving for the direction. Okay. We're going to label this as beta. Are. Solbontang beta, no? Using sine law. Okay? So we have this side of where the opposite angle is equal to this side na solve na ni over the opposite angle. Ara. Now, solving for beta, that is 72.79 degrees. Okay? Okay. Para sa kanina ha. Para magklaro. Okay, again. Ang beta, amo ni ang bilog. Ang mu naman, amo ni ang gamay. Kailangan ta masolve ang mu, no? Para masolve ta ng direksyon yan eh. Kaya nga opposite lang isa sang mu. So, this one should be mu also. Diba? So, from the figure, masolve na actually ang mu. Nga man. Ang ano yung angle, no? This is equal to 18.43 degrees, no? Kung balikan ta to kagina, no? Ang aton nga ginsolve, no? Ari siya. Okay? Amo na yung aton nga theta. Okay? Opposite siya, no? Sa piyaka side. Okay? Sara siya. Okay? So we have here mu is only equal to beta minus theta agina. Okay? Now solving for mu, that is 54.3 degrees. So what's sitting on this is 54.34 degrees. Okay? So, resultant is equal to 32.14 kilonewton unit magnitude acting at 54.34 degrees with respect to the horizontal mangyapon. Okay? So, answer. Okay, next we have here problem number 9. You are asked to resolve the position vector A of the car measured from fixed point O, aring fixed point O, no? into OB and OC. No, actually, ginapakita na din, no? Ang amone, ng distances ang OB kag OB and BC not OC. Alright? Okay, first, no? Ang 65 degrees ta amone ang bilog. Okay? So, mga 65 degrees. Okay na? First, you have to find this theta. Ang theta, tamo lang niyo. Ang gamay. Theta. So, using this triangle, no? Alright. Morning theta. Using this triangle, we can solve for theta, no? Tangent theta is only opposite over adjacent. Okay? So, tangent theta is equal to 2,000 over 3,500. Solving for theta, that is 29.74 degrees. Okay? So that is 29 point, para saan ko 29.74 degrees. Okay. Natawan nyo. If this is 29.74 degrees, this one, by opposite angle, that is also 29.74 degrees. Okay? Kung 29.74 degrees na siya, no? Tapos, this one should be 60.26 degrees. This one. Naman, that is only 90. No? Kay right angle man eh. No? That is 90 minus 29.74 degrees. Okay. Now, kailangan natin ma-solve ang alpha. Okay? Ang alpha actually, no? Is equal to 65. Binanta lang ni sa aton nga binanta sa aton nga theta, no? So ang aton nga theta is 29.74. Okay, so yung alpha equals ari yung dako ng angle binan mo ni sang gamay na 29.74. So alpha is equal to 35.26 degrees, no? So that is 35.26 degrees. Now, this one, now 115, now that is equal to the sum of the interior angles of the triangle. So 180, binanta sang 29.74 minus 35.26. So we have 115. Now, we can solve OC, no? Using we can solve OC, no? Using Pythagorean theorem, no? Kaya nga man right triangle man eh, diba? So OC is only equal to OC squared is equal to 2,000 squared plus 3,500 squared. So OC is equal to 4,031.13 meters. Okay? So mayara na ta sang value, no? 4031, no? This is 4031.13. So pos na lang mag-solve, no? Sang aton nga OB kag BC using sine law. So OB, for OB, that is OB, this side, over opposite angle niya is 29.74, is equal to this side, opposite angle niya is 115. Solving for OB, that is 2206.43 meters. For BC, same man, using sine law, BC, no? Ang opposite angle, BC. BC, no? Ang opposite angle naman sang BC, no man eh? Opposite niya is 35.26, tapos 4031.13, ang opposite niya is 115. Okay? Solving for BC, we we have 2567.69 meters. So answer man eh.